We start tonight with an update on the Lewiston mass shootings. The Sagadahoc County Sheriff's Office has released the findings of an independent review related to how deputies failed to make contact with the shooter, Robert Card, months before he carried out the attacks. News Center's Alex Haskell has been looking into this and joins us live now with the details. Alex.
Zach, the independent third-party review claims deputies with the Sagadahoc County Sheriff's Office followed the law and their training when carrying out well-being checks on Card, who would later kill 18 people in Lewiston.
A new report examines the actions of Sagadahoc County deputies surrounding Lewiston shooter Robert Card and concerns about his mental well-being and access to guns. The 93-page report compiled by Michael Cuniff, an attorney and veteran investigator, determines deputies responded reasonably under the circumstances at the time. This despite the fact Card's guns were never taken away.
I think the deputy that responded did his due diligence.
News Center Maine spoke to Sagadahoc County Sheriff Joel Mary just days after the shootings. We asked him why deputies never made direct contact with Card despite concerns from his family and the Army.
I'm not going to say that's a bad question, right? And I think we can always look at that and what could we have done different.
The day after deputies went to Card's home in September, reports claim deputies spoke to his brother about getting his guns away from him.
After that, we did not hear anything from the family, from Mr. Card.
Sheriff Mary said at the time, if they had made contact with Card, he's not sure he would have been taken into protective custody.
Based on the information we had, we would have been able to do an assessment on him.
In Cuniff's review, he says deputies did not have probable cause to believe that Mr. Card posed a likelihood of self-harm or harm to others as defined by the protective custody statute, even after Sagadahoc County deputies put out an attempt to locate alert to police, warning Card was armed and dangerous and suffering from psychotic episodes. That was just weeks before the deadly shooting.
Now, the review also comes with recommendations, including enhancing mental health-related training programs and looking at creating a mental health response team, which the Sheriff's Office says it has committed to implementing. Zach?
Alex, what do we know about Michael Cuniff, who conducted this review?
Yeah, well, he declined our request for an interview, but according to his bio, he spent 27 years in federal law enforcement, part of which he spent at the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration. We've also learned an attorney at his law firm is on the governor's commission investigating the shootings. Zach.
Alex Haskell live in the newsroom tonight. Thanks so much.